Hi, Lucena. So, first of all, I would like to thank you sa support na binigay mo for the medical school. Kasi for the time na tinikover mo ang medical, nandun kami sa baba, and you was able to lift us up and give our credibility to our client. So, very thankful kami kasi every time na kailangan namin ng support, nandun ka lang to give advice and to please the client's concern. So, yun. Thank you very much. So sa tatahakin mong yung career path, so good luck. And siguro masasabi ko lang one word na mag-dispenser is very jolly. Kasi every time na makikita kita, lagi kang nakangiti. Kahit siguro may problema kang dinaramdam, lagi ka pa rin nakangiti. So yun, thank you and God bless. Always remember na yung medical team is always here for you, no matter or wherever you are in the world. So,
I think more of your message is to thank you for uplifting the spirit of medical team. Kasi you know naman before you came kung ano yung pinagdaanan ng team, but you make us feel parang comfortable again and parang motivated. So, thank you for that. And for you naman na siyempre iwanan mo na kami, we wish you well. And I hope na kung ano na we know na kayang-kaya mo kahit ano yung pinili mo because of the attitude, because of the spirit, I guess.
Hi, and thank you sa lahat na naitulong sa amin sa team. You know the very situation of the medical team, and nag-build yung trust actually ng team, lahat, maging ka, and then parang turn upside down that bad experiences of medical to good, and then to better actually. And we will treasure kung ano yung mga naitulong mo sa amin, kung ano yung mga ibinigay mo sa amin mga learnings during the meetings, during the other. So thank you for having you as my manager, and if it goes that a leader like you is worth to follow. And God bless.
Hi, Lucena. Actually, grateful ako na na-experience ko yung leadership mo. Salamat po sa lahat. Sana dito next, kung saan ka magpupunta, mas maging masaya ka. Alam ko masaya ka sa pero sana maging masaya ka or matumasan na lang yung attitudes mo na experience dito.
Erika became, personally my inspiration in terms of doing my work. Because I saw her how she do hers. Napaka-like, hindi magaling sa trabaho, hindi magaling natin. And we are so lucky to have you, no? As our manager. And na-influence mo sa akin. And tagalin ko yun habang nagtrabaho ko, syempre. And on the personal note, good luck sa bagong natahakang journey. And I know God is there with you. We know na what happened was for the better. And yung intention was for the best. Yun naman yung ating sa atin na sabi. And with that, good luck ulit. God bless sa'yo. And kita-kits.
Nasa'yo na ang lahat, minamahal kita pagkat nasa'yo na ang lahat, pati ang puso ko. Nasa'yo na ang lahat, minamahal kitang tapat. Nasa'yo na ang lahat, pati ang puso ko. Oh, 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 oh. nasa'yo na ang lahat. Oh, 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 oh. Na nasa'yo na ang lahat. Lahat na mismo nasa'yo. Ang ganda, ang bait, ang talino, inggit lahat sila sa'yo. Kahit pa itapat man kanino. Kaya nung lumapit ka sa'kin ay bigla akong nahilo. Hindi akalaing sabihin mong ako na yon ang hinahanap mo. Nasa'yo na ang lahat. Minamahal kita pagkat nasa'yo na ang lahat. Pati ang puso ko. Nasa'yo na ang lahat. Minamahal kitang tapat. Nasa'yo na ang lahat. Pati ang puso ko. Oh, 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 oh. Na nasa'yo na ang lahat. Oh, 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 oh. Na nasa'yo na ang lahat.
Touched by you, I'm touched, it's true. I'm touched, who touches you?
Only Isabel touches your skin. Touches your
Discover youthful beauty inside and out.
Skin
with
so
my
soft,
fancy.
smooth, and healthy all over.
귀요미 귀요미 한눈 팔지 마 누가 뭐래도 내꺼 다른 여자랑 말도 섞지마 난 니꺼